At SMDC, we believe sustainability is not just a buzzword, it is our responsibility. It's about ensuring that the communities we build today will continue to thrive for generations to come. And let me talk about our landscapes. They're not just beautiful, they are purposeful. This is something unique to SMDC Nature. We design open, walkable spaces that encourage movement, cycling, and social connection.
It's not just the walls or the amenities or the interior design. A real home is a sanctuary, a place that nurtures, heals, and connects you to what really matters. SMDC Nature exists exactly because of this.
Every decision we make, every structure we design, every community we develop must stand as a promise to the people who will call it home.
This is SMDC Nature, where life grows with you.